Hello, all IT aspirants. This is Manohar. I would like to share you a very interesting and very important topic today. That is the list of high-paid IT skills in the era 2022. We know technology always evolve, and so the career path also evolve along with the technologies. Being IT professional, we always look forward to adopt new skills to advance our IT career for higher positions and respect. Even the people who are not from IT background, they always look for opportunities, how they can build the new IT skills and be in IT sector. So for all our purpose, I just compiled a list of high paid IT skills so that we can plan our careers accordingly. The first one is the data scientist, who will be very much responsible for creating meaningful insights from the enormous amount of data which is available in the organizations. Without using the insights of the data, there is no point of having that much of huge data, isn't it? So this data scientist would help build the machine learning models on top of the data to make the insights useful for competitive purpose in the industry. The second one is the big data engineer. So these big data engineers will help build the data applications with high scale and with easy maintenance in the organizations. So they would prepare the data which is required for the data scientists as well. So they deal with the technologies such as Hadoop, Spark, Kafka, NoSQL databases, etc. The third one is about cloud architect, where they are responsible to build the cloud applications, which are software as service, the infrastructure as service, which would give a cost-effective solutions for the organizations and with high security and easy maintenance. The fourth one is the Devops Engineer, where they're responsible for helping either developers or the operation teams or the both by automating the deployment pipelines with CI/CD, continuous integration and continuous development strategy, and automating several other observability mechanisms in the production. So they use Git, Jenkins, Ansible, Kubernetes, Grafana kind of utilities as a DevOps engineer. The next one is on blockchain and engineering. So we know the blockchain is already emerging the market, and there are a lot of cryptocurrencies developed with these blockchain technologies. But blockchain is not limited to only the currency, but it has a lot of various use cases around the document maintenance with high security and distributed authentication across the globe. And the next one is on the augmented reality and virtual reality, which would help to simulate any of the real world applications, and without any physical destruction, we can achieve the objectives. For example, if you want to learn how to drive a flight, you no need to be in the flight. So with this augmented and virtual reality, you can simulate the flight environment and the controls, and you can learn it without even being in flight. So it has a lot of use cases in Army and on all the FMCG as well. So it is very much emerging in the industry now. And the next one is on the IoT solutions. So as an architect of IoT solutions, you will be building the applications where you have the Internet of Things implemented as sensors to trigger some events. For example, for our daily use case, if I want to fill my overhead tank, I no need to on my water motor physically. I have simulated or I have implemented the Internet of Things, which would see the levels of water at my overhead tank and the motor level in the water, the submarine engines. So these will understand what is the water levels, and it will automatically fill the water based on the availability, based on the capacity of the tanks. So similarly, there are a lot of other use cases as well for IoT. And the next one is on the full stack developers. So these developers are really responsible for implementing the front end, back end, and middleware, the API integrations of the applications with microservices to make it more manageable and secured, maintainable applications. The next one is the cybersecurity specialist, who are very much responsible for implementing secured applications in the organization, which would be protected against the recent viruses or phishing or several IT threats. And the next one is on the site reliability engineer. We call it as SRE as well. So they are very much responsible to make the production site more reliable and robust. So they inherit a lot of roles from the big data engineering, cloud architects, Devops engineer, full stack developers, and they ensure they do automations in the observability, monitoring performance of the applications, tuning them, and automating a lot of manual efforts which are really required for the support team, L1, L2 team has to do. So there is a lot of demand in site reliability engineers as well now in the current market. So with all this, you can choose which one is more really connected to you based on your previous experiences or based on the interest of that particular technology. So for me, I already highlighted some of the technologies here. If you observe, number 2, 3, 4, and 10, the big data engineer, cloud architect, Devops engineer, and the site reliability engineer, SR. So which I already has explored and deployed and developed some of the applications. So you can also think which one you can pick up for your next best career and explore it and master it and get the dream career. So please comment me what you are going to choose, or if you have an opportunity to learn next, what is the technology, what you would like to see. If you like it and if you see it is useful, so please click on the like button and share it to your colleagues, friends, and subscribe to this video. Thank you very much.